Solve for x using a flowchart. So let's look at our x here. The first thing that happens to that x is it gets multiplied by 2. That gives us 2x. We then subtract 3, giving us 2x take away 3. And then we multiply by 7, giving us 7, 2x take away 3. The reverse path here is going to use the inverse operations. So we're going to divide by 7, add 3, and divide by 2. And of course we start with the 35. Note over here, our equation says 7 2x minus 3 is 35, and that's what we have here in the flowchart. So, 35 divided by 7, well that's 5. Then I'm going to add 3 is 8, and then I'm going to divide by 2 to get 4. And then I can read the answer from this end. I get x equals 4. I can always substitute back in to check. If x is 4, 2x is 8, take away 3 is 5, multiply that by 7, does give us 35. So, for the next one, start with the x. First thing that happens there is that we multiply by 2 to give ourselves 2x. We then subtract 7 to give ourselves 2x take away 7. And we then divide by 3 to give ourselves 2x take away 7 divided by 3. Working backwards, we're going to multiply by 3, add 7, and divide by 2. And of course we start with 7. Times that by 3 is 21. Add 7 is 28. Divide by 2 is 14. And so from here we get the answer. X equals 14, which of course we can check. Now finally, we start with the x here. The first thing that happens to x in this one is that we multiply it by negative 3 to give ourselves negative 3x. The 5 on the top there is positive, so we're going to add 5 to give us 5 minus 3x, which remember is the same thing as having minus 3x plus 5. And then we're going to divide all of that by 7 to give ourselves 5 minus 3x over 7. Coming back the other way, we would multiply by 7, subtract 5, and divide by negative 3. So we need to start with the 2, multiply that by 7 is 14, take away 5 is 9, divide that by negative 3 is negative 3. So from here we get ourselves the answer that x equals negative 3.